This video tutorial I will explain what is MongoDB replication and how to do that. Here you can see the primary server and here you can see the two secondary servers. The primary server data will be replicated to two secondary servers. This process is called replication. And here you can see the client application which talk to primary server for any write operation and read operation. Replication is the process of synchronizing data across multiple servers. Replication provides redundancy and increases data availability with multiple copies of data on the different database servers. Replication protects the database from the loss of a single server. Replication also allows you to recover from hardware failure and service interruption. With additional copies of data, you can dedicate one to disaster recovery, reporting or backup. Why replication is needed? To keep your data safe, high availability of data, disaster recovery, no downtime for maintenance like backups, index rebuilds, compaction, etc. Read scaling, extra copies to read from, and replica set is transparent to the application. MongoDB achieves replication by the use of Replica Set. Replica Set is a group of MongoDB instances that host the same data set. In a replica, one node is a primary node that receives all write operations, and all other instances such as secondaries applies operation from the primary so that they have the same data set. And replica set can have only one primary node, or replica set can have two or more nodes. But generally minimum 3 nodes are required for replica set. In a replica set, one node is a primary node and remaining nodes are the secondary nodes. And all data replicates from primary to secondary node. At the time of automatic failover or maintenance, election will be established for primary and new primary node is selected. After the recovery of failed node, it again joined to the replica set and it will work as a secondary node. And here you can see the typical diagram. And here you can see the client application which always interact with the primary node. And the primary node then replicates data to the secondary nodes. Here you can see the replica set features. A cluster of n nodes. Any one node can be primary. All write operations goes to the primary. Automatic failover, automatic recovery, consensus election of primary. Here we will see what are the steps we have to follow to convert standalone MongoDB instance to a replica set. First we have to shut down already running MongoDB server. Then we have to start the MongoDB server by specifying Replica Set option. So here is the syntax. MongoDB instance, then port number, DB path, Replica Set and Replica Set instance name. Here is the example. MongoDB port number is 27017 and then DB path, then Replica Set option and replica set name is rs0. So once you run this command, the MongoDB instance will start with the name rs0 as a replica set and port number is 27017. Then we have to connect Mongo client to the running MongoDB instance. Then in Mongo client, we have to issue the command rs.initiate to initiate the new replica set. Then to check the replica set configuration, we have to issue the command rs.conf. And to check the status of replica set, we have to issue the command rs.status. Once you do all these steps, the primary server will be added to the replica set. Now the replica set contains only one primary node. we will see how to add secondary nodes to the replica set. To add secondary nodes to the replica set, we have to start MongoDB instances on multiple machines. Then we have to connect Mongo client to the primary server. Then we have to issue rs.add command. Here you can see the syntax. In rs.add command, pass the host name of secondary server and port number of secondary server. Here you can see the example. rs.add, host name of secondary server is MongoDB1.net and port number is 27018. Once you run this command, the secondary server will be added to the replica set. Like that, we can add n number of nodes to the replica set. And we can add MongoDB instance to the replica set only when you are connected to the primary node. To check whether you are connected to primary or not, we can use this command db.isMaster in the Mongo client. It will tell whether connected server is master or primary node. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.